Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to create a customized receipt voucher in your Tally. For the purpose of voucher creation, you have to just press accounting info. You have to select a voucher type. You can create your receipt voucher from here. You can just press enter and your voucher is created. Again, when you go for a accounting voucher, you just select F6. It will ask you the list of the type, whether it is receipt. There is inbuilt in Tally voucher. If you select receipt, then you can press do the normal entry. If you select receipt from Axis Bank, you will find voucher name receipt for Axis Bank. You can also alter your existing voucher. How can you alter your voucher? Just go to accounting info, go to voucher type, select alter, select here receipt, receipt for Axis Bank. Here I can choose my method of numbering, whether manual, automatic and manual override. Suppose I am selecting automatic and manual override. Here you can prescribe whether you can allow narration, yes or no. I am allowing the narration. Here you can enable your default accounting allocation. Suppose I am enabling default accounting allocation, yes. Further, I have to set or alter default accounting entry. So I have to select yes. Here it will ask you the name of the ledger for which this class is created. So I am selecting here Axis Bank and I just press enter and your voucher is altered. So again, when I am going for a voucher entry for a receipt, it will show me the all the voucher type of for receipt. I just select for receipt from Axis Bank. I will find my name of the bank automatically. So here the name of my Axis Bank will come automatically. However, instead of making a new voucher for a receipt for Axis Bank, you can also make your voucher in inbuilt Tally voucher by doing a different class for such receipt voucher. How can you do this? Just so I am selecting the voucher type receipt for the purpose of voucher type alteration. So I am selecting here my method of numbering manual. I am creating class for my Axis Bank. I am selecting here the ledger for which this class is created. So this is for Axis Bank. Further, I am having another account in my IDBI Bank. So I am creating class for my IDBI Bank. So I can create class for IDBI Bank by just pressing enter. Here I have to select end of list, and here specific ledger for which this class is created. So I have to select IDBI Bank. Now whenever I am going for a accounting voucher, I just press F6. You will find the list of a voucher type. So I am selecting only receipt here. It will again ask me the type of voucher list, voucher class list. If I am selecting a not applicable, you can do the normal entry as per the Tally. However, I am selecting again voucher class by pressing F6. Suppose I am selecting IDBI Bank, you will find the bank of IDBI name automatically, and you just select here the name of the party from which you have received the payment. So in this way you can make entry, and it is quite faster than a normal entry. Further, again, suppose I want to do the entry for my Axis Bank. I am just selecting F6 and I can select Axis Bank from my voucher class list. I will find my Axis Bank list. Suppose I am selecting here ABC Private Limited and I can make entry. So you suppose you are entering for Axis Bank transaction there, and just press F6 and select your Axis Bank. Your Axis Bank voucher class will be open, and you not have to select Axis Bank accounting ledger, or you don't have to write Axis Bank accounting in name multiple time, because it will come automatically. In this way you can do your entry very much faster, and it will save your time. So in this way you can create your customized receipt voucher or a voucher class in the Tally. I hope you will understand. In the next video we will discuss how to create a customized contra voucher in Tally. Thank you.